Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. We have 4 different puzzles for you today. We have a T-Rex, a bee, frog, and a whale. We're going to mix them all up and you're going to help me put them back together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Are you ready? Do you know who this belongs to? It belongs to the frog. Let's try putting it next to the frog. Let's do this one now. Do you know what animal this is? Could it be the T-Rex's head? No. How about the frog's head? No. This is part of the whale. Let's put it over here next to the whale. What about this? I think this could belong to the bee. What do you think? Let's try putting it next to the bee. It fits. Let's do this now. They look like sharp claws. Do you know what animal has sharp claws? The T-Rex. Well done. Let's do this now. Do you know whose head this is? Could it be a frog's head? No, this is the bee's head. Let's put it next to the bee. Let's do this now. Do you know whose head this is? Yes, it's the frog's head. Well done. How about this? Do you know what color it is? Blue. What animal here is blue? The whale. Well done. How about this? Do you know what this is? Yes, it's the bee's body. Let's put it next to the bee. How about this? He has really sharp teeth. It's a T-Rex. Let's put it next to the T-Rex puzzle. What about this? It's blue and looks like a tail. Where is the blue puzzle? Yes, over here. It's the whale's tail. How about this? Do you know whose legs these are? The frog's legs. Well done. How about this? Yes, it belongs to the bee. It's the bee's wings. We have one more. Do you know what this is? The T-Rex's tail. Excellent job. Thank you so much for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.